have some state-of-the-art infrastructure like the laboratories for artificial intelligence, robotics, cybersecurity, data science, machine learning, Apple Lab. I think teaching learning is as per the requirements of the industry, and sculpture, pottery, art making, cooking, hospitality, aviation. These are industries which are going to give immediate employment to students. And to say there is no industry which is a dead industry. Every industry is the need of the hour. Be it
all, welcome to Education Pulse. So, first of all, I would like to ask you, please give your small introduction so our viewers get to know about you.
Perfect. I'm Dr. Vandana Mishra. I am the Vice Chancellor of the D.Y. Patil Deemed to be University in Navi Mumbai.
Ma'am, how are you feeling like you participated in the event of FWA in collaboration with Education Post? What do you think? What will be the outcome of this event?
I would like to congratulate the organizers, both FWA as well as Education Post, for organizing such a wonderful event. First of all, the topics on which we discussed were amazing, and I think they are the need of the hour today. And the panel that was constituted was amazing. Most importantly, the topics were about employment. It was about skill development. I think for a better India, for an India that we look in the future, that is economically, growing, it is very important that topics like this are delved into, where people understand the importance of skilling, they can relate it to employability, and the youth can accordingly be channelized. I think this forum was amazing for such kind of a agenda and topic.
Okay, as you said, according to our topics, I want to know, in your institutions, kind of skill set you are providing to your student to get ready for, tomorrow employment.
So at the D.Y. Patil University, we've established in 1983, and we have 18 schools on campus, right from engineering to fashion technology. If you're talking about engineering, we have some state-of-the-art infrastructure like the laboratories for artificial intelligence, robotics, cybersecurity, data science, machine learning, Apple Lab. I think this is the future of tomorrow. And if institutes take care of infrastructure and make sure that it is updated and connected with the industry, I think that's very, very important, that the teaching learning is as per the requirements of the industry, and infrastructure is aligned as per the requirements of the industry. I think we've kind of then solved the whole bit of it. And apart from that, we are also in the School of Architecture, we have something like sculpture, pottery. So these are skills which are, I think, the need of the hour. Sculpture, pottery, art making, cooking, hospitality, aviation. These are industries which are going to give immediate employment to students. And if you are training the students on skills that are industry requirements, that are future ready, I think you're making India employable. You're making the youth of India prepared for getting jobs for tomorrow. You are making them self-oriented. I think that's the whole purpose of it. At the D.Y. Patil University, I would like to mention, we also have a state-of-the-art stadium. We have a program which is known as the Sports and Exercise Sciences. Now, sports is the need of the hour. Today, the government is also focusing towards youth sports, and if you have programs like Sports and Exercise Sciences, where you not only prepare athletes, but you also prepare coaches, you also prepare management graduates to organize sports events, I think you are preparing the youth for a better tomorrow.
Ma'am, as you said already, few industry name. Okay, so as you named the cooking industry, so few industries are, people think these are the dead industries. Okay, but drastically we see some changes in those industry, and they are growing like anything. So, what do you think? What will be those industry in couple of years, like upcoming 5 years? Those industry can be level up. That is better to see our future in those industries.
First of all, I would like to say there is no industry which is a dead industry. Every industry is the need of the hour. Be it the hospitality industry, which has got a little hit because of the pandemic, but I think आप और मैं पूरा हफ्ता काम करके बाहर निकल के खाना खाने के लिए सैटरडे संडे वी ऑल गो फॉर एन आउटिंग सो वेयर इज द इंडस्ट्री dying? No industry is dying. What is most important is that we need to innovate. We innovate. If we are going to be stagnant and we think if we are going to carry a particular industry in the same old age method, that's when the industry is going to become stagnant and dead. But if you are ready to innovate and inspire people and look for opportunities of employment in that industry, no industry is going to die.
So, any upcoming plans, like how you are technologically advancement you are doing in your institutions for upcoming 5 years?
So, D.Y. Patil deemed to be university has a building which is known as the Center of Excellence. This Center of Excellence is a vision of our Honorable Chancellor and President Dr. Vijay D. Patil, sir. And he has envisioned this building from the point of view of having offer and quality education to students. There are a lot of students who look up to going internationally for higher studies. We should retain our students here in India, create an infrastructure at par with international standards. This Center of Excellence is a building which is designed by Sir Norman Fosters of Fosters and Partners, the renowned architects from UK, and it's a technologically driven building. We call it as an intelligent building because it is a platinum LEED certified by the US Green Council. I think that takes care of environment, that takes care of sustainability, that takes care of technology, because it has everything that is needed for quality education.
It's literally great to have a talk with you, ma'am. Thank you for your insight and your time. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. The pleasure was all mine. Thank you, and keep doing such events. We look forward for more such events happening.
Sure, ma'am. Sure. We'll also look forward to have this kind of collaboration with her.
Thank you so much. Thank you.